Hi, I'm Penny Pink, and this is the boyfriend, JV. I have just purchased a 1972 land yacht Globetrotter and as my retirement project. And JV has always wanted to have his own YouTube channel, so we figured this was a great opportunity for me to work on my retirement project and JV to develop his own YouTube channel.
No, it's going to be hers, guys, not mine. Oh, let's just read this. Here we go, folks. Why did you buy an Airstream? See, I'm reading off a line here. Isn't this great? Okay, and it says thank you on there. I wonder where that's from. Anyway, okay, so why did you buy an Airstream, Penny?
So my good friend Penelope was musing a couple weeks ago that she wanted to run away and join the Gypsies and travel the country. And I thought, yeah, that sounds like a great idea. I love to hike and bike and ski and raft all over the place. And so I found this really cool 1972 land yacht. And it says yacht. I really love boats, love my raft, love my kayaks. So I decided to buy this for myself as a retirement project. And based on the conversation I had with Penelope, I decided to name her Gypsy.
We don't have a name tag yet, guys. We're getting there.
So this will be the adventures of Penny Pink and Gypsy.
All right. Gypsy. Woohoo! Penny, at 60 years of age and retired, why are you qualified, you think, to restore an Airstream?
Well, in 1996, I started Portneuf Valley Brewing in Pocatello, Idaho, and built my first brewing system on my driveway, and ultimately bought a 9,000 square foot, 100-year-old building, completely gutted it, and rebuilt all of the infrastructure and systems to do a complete brew pub operation. And I figured if I can renovate a 9,000 square foot warehouse and build a brewery, I could probably figure out how to restore and renovate a 150 square foot trailer.
All right.
Just a guess.
Just a guess.
But it's like, oh, I understand pumps. I understand all of the plumbing systems. And I have JV to help me with the electrical. Yay!
Good one. Me, electrical.
I could do righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Oh boy, here we go. Okay,
Woo!
So we'll get back to you on the Airstream project. Woohoo! See you guys. Cookie break.
Hi.
We're eating cookies.
We took a cookie break. You want a cookie? These are my high-fiber oat cakes. JV. Oh, JV's getting a cookie. These are delicious.
I feel like a cookie monster when I'm eating these.
So I found these. Aren't these adorable? I found these Doug and Melissa little miniature utensils, and look at, it's a little pot and pan set, and it has like everything hangs in there all together. And I thought if I was going to have a little baby trailer, Gypsy is 21 feet long, I figured I needed little miniature pots and pans and utensils.
Where's the Play-Doh, damn it? Where's the Play-Doh?
Are those fun or what?
She first showed them to me. I was like, what?
Hey,
so it's only a 20 foot. I'm 6'5", so that, you know, I don't know.
Barely fits in. I know. I mean, I might have to make a couple of pounds of food for JV, but you know.
Yeah, use it 5 or 6, 7 times. Well, this is my favorite cup, guys. But this is it. Do not care. I gotta say that in the right way. Okay.
Okay,
right.
So are we going to go back out and look at the rest of the trailer?
Yeah, we're going to look at the rest of the trailer.
Let's do it. Come on.
Okay. All right, folks. Tonight, we're going to sleep the first time in this trailer, and Penny is going to open up the bag.
This is JV's mattress. And I just think this is hysterical that you can get a memory foam topper this small. So you can see I've got the cushions laid out in the front of the trailer. You can see the old original upholster from probably when it was brand new, and then the renovated upholstery. So
can you imagine sleeping on the hideous yellow?
What?
Can you imagine sleeping on the hideous yellow?
Or, well, I mean, you can see it's stained and all kinds of nastiness going on. So my big challenge here is my big man here, JV, is 6'5". As you can see,
not too small, right?
JV barely clears the air conditioning and the light fixtures in the trailer. And I used to be 5'10". We're not going to talk about how much I shrank.
She's only 5'2" now. No, I'm
kidding. Okay, my
just
grannies
kidding.
were like 4'7". God, I hope I don't shrink that
much. 5'2". And she's not that short.
So
here we go.
So the challenge here is to make a bed that's big enough in a tiny trailer for somebody that's 6'5".
Can you imagine laying on this thing?
And actually sleeping with him in the same bed.
No, this is her bed right here.
It could happen. If you don't behave.
Doghouse.
You get the hummingbird pillow.
Oh yeah, that looks comfortable. Let's do it. Okay.
Okay, here we go. The unfurling of the memory foam. Bump, 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 bump. This is a full-size 1.5 inch.
Should be a drum roll here
topper.
somewhere. Drum roll.
No, this is a memory foam.
Full?
Memory foam roll. Say that 3 times fast.
Memory foam full. Memory foam foam.
So I actually read the literature. I know most people don't do that, but it said it could take as much as 3 days for this stuff to like completely unfold. And
men, it's always easier to look at pictures, isn't it? Not to read anything.
So my hope was that this topper would end up being about the same height as the bolsters on the little armrests for the couch.
Nope, it's not.
Well, but it hasn't fully expanded yet.
Somebody pump it with air. Damn it.
Maybe we need an Airstream air mattress.
There you go. Well, full size will fit. I mean,
okay,
look at this right here.
So I'm tucking the corners in. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do.
Tucking the corners in.
Is round out the back corners eventually. And I know the bed's like 48 inches, so we've got some extra here.
Too bad it didn't extend out the extra.
Yeah, right? Yeah, I don't think I can.
No, it's all the way out. Yeah.
You know, unless we figure out some other contraption. But see, it's still not quite as high as the...
Nope.
As the armrest.
Well, you just put your head on there and the pillow on the armrest.
Yeah, so like, you know, we pile up the pillows. And you always sleep on that side, and I always sleep on this side.
Mind you, I've been forced to. Just kidding.
So, I mean, is it just me? But is this one higher?
A little bit. Yeah, probably. Maybe it's already unfolded. I mean, blown up with air on this side. But anyway.
Oh, that was on the outside.
Okay.
So, stay tuned for the rest of the story on how the first night camping in Gypsy
in the driveway.
Yeah, driveway camping. It doesn't get much better than that. All right. Thanks for tuning in to Penny Pink's Adventures with Gypsy.
And JV. All right, now the tank is called the what?
It's the Blue Bunny.
Why did he call it the Blue Bunny?
Well, it's obviously blue.
Yeah, but why a bunny, though?
Maybe it hops.
Gotta hate to have the gray water hop.
So, as you can see, something is leaking.
It's got a hole in it. I checked it out.
Oh.
So, you know, it's interesting, though, that we looked it up, and they do not have a gray water tank, not until 1974 or 3 or so. So a year after this one here. But, so this is what they use. The blue tank.
So it's portable, and should be easy to empty it out and clean it. all that fun stuff.
Just don't go pee in it.
I have the huge hose to hook it up if you're actually at an RV park, but we'll probably boondock most of the time. So that's the way I want to rig this, is for being able to go off grid and like go to my land in Gilmore, Idaho, which is a
middle of nowhere.
Yeah, wait till we get to the Penny's Adventures in Gilmore video. Anyway, so we've got a on-demand water heater. The original water heater was replaced, and that all works. It's got a heater. Apparently the previous owners only used it a couple times, so we haven't tested that out. It's still like 80 degrees out. It's summer in Idaho, and
well, we could always turn it on and see how well we last in there. More water, please.
Yeah, we definitely want to get a carbon monoxide detector.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, in Idaho, my plan is to do some winter camping in this baby. So
she says winter camping. I don't know. I'll be like, oh, I'm freezing deer. Send me back home.
That's why I bring you along, is so I stay warm.
BTUs, I put out about 500,
Nothing
maybe.
like having a big man for some heat at night. Anyway, we talked about the gaskets. You know, you can see like where it's scrubbed up here on top. So all of the exterior at some point is going to have to get buffed out because this clear coat is
peeling off.
Yeah, it's all gone south.
Oh, gone south. We might be going there too.
Yeah, right. God, the air conditioner works great.
Can you guys believe this is a 1972 air conditioner? Wow, that's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, this baby's 48 years old. A couple years. My plan is to get it restored by the time she's 50 years old. Oh, hey, here's the other thing I got to replace. So we talked about these little trim pieces. I'm going to have to learn how to do rivets. I don't know where in the world. They've got like a little fiberglass trim piece that's in here. That can't be original. So I'm going to want to replace that. Got a couple little things and scratches. I have no clue what this is. Is this the evil eye?
It looks like a ball socket. Something where you stick your finger on there and see if you get shocked. Doorbell, wrong side of the trailer.
And I'm like, what is that? I don't get it.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. We'll have to look it up. Back on the doorknob thing, or whatever it is.
Yeah. Okay, so we talked about like the trim thing on this. I can get that fixed. There are a couple of dents. Where was that?
Right there in the front. You see them? They're right here. I can see them right there.
Well, yeah, I got a couple little bitty dings and stuff. And I think you can see where they haven't had a rock guard on the front of this. So the front's a little pitted.
And then we're also gonna seal the windows around the edges of the windows, right?
Oh yeah, that's
a priority.
Yeah. All the caulk.
The caulk. She finally says caulk right instead of C-O-O-K.
Yeah, we're not gonna get into that. Anyway, I'm gonna have to go around. You can see where this is all coming out. And yeah, it's just.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Oh my God. The moss and the lichens that were on this were just unbelievable.
You guys remember watching
I did some serious scrubbing yesterday.
The lichen. Every time I hear that, I always think about the werewolf movie, The Lichen. Anyway.
I have no idea what that is. I think there's a couple little. There's a boo-boo down here too. Yeah, down underneath here. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to pull that out. I don't know whether I'm gonna have to take off that panel and get out the dollies. And
it's not Dolly Parton, guys. It's dollies.
It's my auto body working tools. They're called dollies. You know.
Oh, those dollies. Yeah. Not Dolly Parton. Okay, never mind. And we got to fix the lights too, guys. Must have a ground short in the lights, so yeah, we got to fix that. The taillights do not work.
Mojo!
And there's our dogs. You can hear them over there. Mojo and Rufus. They're just singing. They're singing. But anyway.
Anyway, yeah, we have one trailer dog.
Whoa, trailer dogs! 2 trailer dogs go around the house. I mean, the trailer. Anyway, I can't sing that song.
So that's it.
That's it.
So this is the beginning of Penny Pink's adventures with Gypsy.
Yay! And this is JV signing out for Gypsy and Penny Pink. You guys have a wonderful evening, and thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe on the YouTube video, and we'll see you guys later. Au revoir.